Anderson Yanjalikin, and today I going to prepare a banana cake for all of you. I hope you like this recipe. It's very rich, is easy to make, and, easy to obtain ingredients. For this recipe, I need some ingredients: white 3 bananas, a cup sugar, a plate of flour, 3 eggs, vanilla essence, a red of milk, a red of oil, baking powder. Before starting, we have to light the oven to get up to perform preparation. So right the oven at 200 degrees. So light the oven at the 200 degrees. First, I need to put the 3 eggs in the bowl. I need beat the eggs for 7 minutes until developed well. Make everything. So beat the eggs for 7 minutes. Okay. We beat until all this dissolved. When all this dissolved, add the other ingredients. Add a cup sugar, I need to remove it. Add of oil, and add of milk. Remove all these ingredients. We remove until all these united. And now we mix the flour, the little. So the mix the flour of white ingredients. And add the more flour. in the bowl the mix. Until all of this dissolved together. To dissolve everything, we beat with the blender for um, 4 minutes. In other bowl, we crush the bananas until it's like a cream. First, we have to break the banana into small pieces. Everything bananas. We crush it until it's like a cream. It has to look like this, very good. Yeah. And add this mixture to other mix. And mix everything. And we mix until it's all come together. Add a little baking powder. Then mix. And also a little vanilla essence. And the mix everything. Until all dissolved. Now we prepare the mold with a little oil so that the mixture does not stick. Ready. And now we add all the mixture in the mold. Everything mixture. normally, very good. Though all the step is ready to mix. Now we put the mixture in the oven. Finish it. I hope you like this recipe. Very easy and also rich.